are here this evening, Saturday, July 7, 2018, to induct our sisters in Houston, Texas, to consummate the wake-up process into this one-of-a-kind sorority of Umaji organization, to uphold our proud, rich and noble heritage, to enable them to continue to enjoy the unique camaraderie native to Igbo sorority. Honorable members of Umaji, our brothers and sisters in Houston, please join me to congratulate Umaji Organization USA Houston Branch executives, officers, and all the members of the branch for the good job they have done in nurturing the branch from its infancy to its adulthood. Thank you very much. We appreciate all your efforts, and we commend all of you for your dedication to the progress, welfare, and value of the organization. The name Umaji, with all its honor and colors, engenders our responsibility and allegiance to our Igbo heritage, culture, and tradition, which are the embodiment of our strong and enviable Igbo family values and extended family system. As an organization, Umaji organization is a non-profit and non-political, non-governmental organization. Its members is derived from the Umaja citizens of the Nigerian 7 Igbo-speaking states: Abia, Anambra State, Delta, Ebonyi, Enugu, Imo, and Rivers. It is formed and registered in US as an organization for the education and advancement of women to promote and propagate our Igbo language, culture, and tradition. In other words, to inculcate in our people and children our time-honored, enviable family values and extended family system and relationships. Above all, it is essential to promote peace, progress, unity, and camaraderie among women, families, and Igbos in general. Before the induction ceremony, let me remind the members that the membership of Umaji organization comes with responsibility as attached responsibility to the principal policies and motto of Umaji. Tomorrow, as you were told when you joined this organization, integrity, unity, peace, and progress. These principles and virtues, otherwise motto on the oath, Umaji is suit in all their actions, dealings, and responsibility. They are embedded in the fabric of our well-being. The culture of integrity and caretakership of one another, including the less privileged in our community, are the strength of our family values and the bedrock of our leadership. It is a culture we must always uphold and socialize into our children through education, tolerance, communication, and development of human resources. We need this to ensure success in any walk of life. Integrity, as we all know, encompasses respect, honesty, truthfulness, responsibility, and financial rectitude. Finally, we want to thank our national president, Lord Christiwiwu Oleko. Thank you so much, Brother General, and all the executive officers, board of directors, national advisors, and all our women sisters, presidents, officers, and branches throughout the US. Thank you so much, and you are welcome to Houston, Texas, to the first convention and production as an actor in Houston. We are now on the induction process. The President, Dr. Vicky Metu, you have your roll call. Who are these lovely ladies?
Honorable Founder. Honorable Founder. As a one in the BP. These ladies are citizens of Igbo land and residents of Houston, Texas, USA. These ladies have willingly assembled and have organized as a group. They want to join the organization of Omadi USA Inc. and to become members of Houston Western branch of Umadi organization, USAA.
And then everyone willing and ready to hold and promote the Igbo culture and family values. They want unity, peace, and progress for the betterment of all people.
Yes.
Are they able, willing and ready to always form themselves with integrity, dignity, and decorum, and uphold the dignity and integrity of the organization USA?
Yes.
Are they able, willing, and ready to always communicate with one another respectfully and politely and use civil dialogue to resolve all conflicts between one another?
Yes.
Are they ever willing or ready to empower one another and take care of one another, no matter the obstacle and difficulty?
Yes.
Thank you, President Dr. Vijay Mato. With all the answers you have found, I have found this honorable ladies graceful ladies, ready and willing to uphold the dignity of the organization and our Igbo culture and values. Therefore, on this day, Saturday, July 7, 2018, in the power vested in me as the founder and the patron of the Igbo, I welcome all of you into the celebratory of the Igbo organization. And now, I declare all of you members of the Igbo. So, DJ, put your music.
Excel Global Media Group.